हाय, मेरा नाम है अदिति एंड आप सुन रहे हो काइपन अदिति. दिस इज़ माई January Unhinged, a month where I will upload new episode every single day. I do hope you hit the follow button, do leave a review, do rate my podcast. It helps me get discovered across the globe. Again, I absolutely appreciate you hanging out with me. I love spending time with you guys. I don't make any money out of this podcast yet, but I do hope I can bring some form of entertainment and value to you guys at the end of the day. Yeah. So let's start today's episode because honestly, I'm absolutely, पैशनेट अबाउट दिस टॉपिक. यू कुड से अगर मैं बात करना चालू करूँगी तो हम घंटा 2 घंटा यही बात कर रहे होंगे एंड द टाइम वुड गो अवे लाइक दैट बिकॉज आई एम दैट पैशनेट अबाउट इट. सो आज का टॉपिक है बी केयरफुल वॉट यू से हैपन्स. एग्जैक्टली आई बिलीव इन दिस, ट्रूली बिलीव इन दिस. So here's something that I was struggling with coming up with a topic for today. Honestly, sometimes I come to the topic and sometimes the topic comes to me, right? Someone very close to me, aka my mother, told me ki, hey Aditi, so you're numerologically this and this number, right? And if you do end up picking back up YouTube again, it will not happen for you. You will not succeed at it. You simply just can't. You have to be very polite and very doll-like, sweet-talking woman on camera. And that innately is not your nature. Which I genuinely take it as a compliment because I am nobody if I'm not truly authentic to myself and to you guys. What you see is what you get even in real life. Period. No games. Now she might not be wrong, but here's something I've realized watching Wizard Liz. She's basically my spiritual guru and my mentor in that regard of about how you think about yourself. Around that topic, I go to her, watch her YouTube content. She said you become what you think and what you say about yourself, right? ये तो बहुत basic है and I have to keep reminding myself you become what you think and you say about yourself. So if somebody says you can't succeed at so and so task or so and so project, I call them out then and there. तेरे को किसी ने ऐसी भविष्यवाणी लिख के भेजी है कि अदिति ये कर नहीं सकती है, या इज़ देयर एनीबडी हूव लाइक टोल्ड यू दिस or who've come from the future and like given you money to say this to me, blah blah blah, right? And so you have to honestly think about this. I told my mom, please do not feed such false narrative into my brain. I will not let it stick in my brain. Now I'm extremely determined to prove people wrong. Like, I'm genuinely determined. Like, when you come and tell me you can't do this, I'm like, fucking watch. Just watch. Give me time. Just watch. I will succeed at it. But honestly, you have to really like, you become what you think and what you speak about your own self. मैं दूसरों लोग की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, आप लोग खुद की बात कर रही हूँ मैं कि what we think about ourselves is what we eventually sort of become. So Wizard Liz gave an example once which sort of changed my mindset, and till date I still think about this example. Like, it sort of opened my eyes for good. So the other day she made this video and she put it out on her Instagram story. She said ki she asked her friend the other day why she was not stepping out of the house. Her friend told her ki she will meet with an accident if she steps out, because she ended up going to some tarot reader, uski friend, and that tarot reader told her ki she will meet with an accident if she steps out of the house. And now here's something Wizard Liz told her. It might never happen that she will meet with an accident. It's just that now she's actually manifesting this by consciously thinking about she meeting with an accident, like thinking and speaking it into literal existence when it has not even happened yet. Imagine. So, a couple of years ago, I went to see this astrologer. He told me, Aditi, you will end up in a divorce. It's your energy is more like my way or highway. Which deep down, ugly deep down, I took it somewhere personally and I started thinking, I will end up in divorce. Aditi, there's no point to it. There's no point in marriage. There's no point in partnership. It will end up in ugly divorce. The thing that everyone needs to know here is I'm not even married yet. And here I was already thinking about divorcing this person. Like I've not even dated. I don't have a boyfriend. I've not thought about this. Like I just took that false narrative into my brain, and deep down it just affected me in a bigger picture. That क्या ही point हो गया? What is the point? You'll eventually end up getting divorced. So there's no point. And here I was consistently consciously thinking about divorce. Like almost every other guy I was approached with, I was like, if we don't vibe, we'll end up getting separated somewhere. And that was just fucked up on my part. Imagine how fucked up it was for me to believe such astrologer in the first place. And so from the time I was 26 to the almost like 30 now, I'm like almost 30, I thought the same until I came across this video by Liz, which was point blank simple. Simple as fuck. कुछ हुआ भी नहीं है, बट आप कंसिस्टेंटली वो सोचते रहोगे तो वो सही में हो जाएगा. What you think about yourself, about the situation, about anything, it will happen. You're like legit manifesting it into existence. अब अभी तक कुछ हुआ नहीं है. There is so much time for you to change that narrative, to take it as a challenge कि the outcome would be phenomenal. Why can we not think it like that? कि why can't we think कि everything is rigged in our favor? अच्छा ही होगा. Why cannot we think कि partner अच्छा ही मिलेगा? Why can we not think like that? So this astrologer really fucked me over. Like कौन बोलता है ऐसे कि यार तुम्हारा डिवोर्स हो जाएगा? क्या आपको पता है उनके खुद के लाइफ में कल क्या होने वाला है? कैन यू टेल मी दैट? इट्स लाइक वो मुन्ना भाई का वो सीन नहीं, मुन्ना भाई MBBS में लास्ट में वो बोलता है करके ऐसे है आप, देन ही पुल्स आउट द गन एंड ही इज़ लाइक कैन यू टेल मी कि आपके नेक्स्ट 5 मिनट में आपके साथ क्या होने वाला है? इट्स लाइक दैट. You cannot predict your own future, you're coming to predict mine. And like that just shit was like so real. Everything is created twice, first in the mind and then in reality. See you tomorrow.